Hey y'all, today we got the history of table saw. Well, this is a fun tool and I think we should get right on into it. Hey y'all, welcome back. Sorry I haven't been recording lately. Been really busy, holidays and all. But we're back with another fun video. The history of table saws. Bum, bum, bum. Yeah. It's just a video on the history of a table saw, but if you like it, give it a thumbs up. I mean a like. Give it a like. And maybe subscribe. Helps out a bunch. And then you know what? While you're at it, maybe place an order for something. We got a special offer, which we'll get into at the end of the video. See you in a little bit. Anyways. The table saw dates back to the early 18th century when the first known patent for the table saw was filed in 1777. It was filed in 1777 by Samuel Miller. He made the first saw blade, a metal disc with teeth around its edges, and he found that if this disc moves fast enough, it will cut through things. This tool was later put in lumber mills, to obviously cut up lumber. Then later, a company by the name of W.R. and John Barnes in Rockford, Illinois, started marketing table-mounted saws. Their saw was pedal-powered, kind of like the old sewing machines. Kind of like that, except obviously on a saw. I can't imagine how efficient it would be. If anyone has like a picture of one or one even with them, send us a picture. Send us through the email. Email will be listed at the end of the video. Where was I? And pedal powered. Design closely resembled sewing machine. Already said that. This was sold in 1878. Then later on, the invention led to electric table saws and later many more types of saws. Like one we'll be getting into shortly, the radial arm saw. They're pretty cool saws, and we'll get into them next time. Yeah. But that's the history of table saws, y'all. I hope y'all will join us this Sunday as we begin our adventure out of Egypt with the Book of Exodus. See y'all then. Hey guys, are you tired of having a boring wall? Well, never fear. We're now introducing the double-decker shelf. It looks very nice, if I do say so myself. It's very sturdy. It holds a lot of stuff. Very convenient. And it's got a top shelf to it. Pretty cool. If you want one, we've got a ton in stock. They also come with either a free set of crosses or free pumpkins. With the Christmas season coming, we'll switch these out to like Christmas decorative items. I'll show those off in a later video. But we'll be starting this off at 20 bucks plus if we have to deliver it to you. We'll work all those details out. But you get free 3 crosses, or free 3 pumpkins, or Christmas decorative items if you buy this shelf. Starting price 20 bucks. Email will be listed at the end of the video. Hey guys, one last thing. You can also get it in any color you wish. Order now.